Hello everyone, Hatem Ali for Objection, back again with the news as we always promise. Today we're gonna talk about this Asus. This is VivoBook Max. You get me? There's VivoBook, there's VivoBook Max, there's a lot of models. This is the most nice laptop with cheapest price. I'm gonna tell you what, this performance is not so bad and not so gaming. You're in the middle, kinda. In a way, you can play games because VGA are 2 giga. Got me? And he's cost $400. Anyway, let's get a look. This one it's called Asus VivoBook Max, and this is the model X541N. As you see here, see, I want to tell you, see, the VGA is 2 giga, the screen is full HD, 1 tera hard disk, DDR3 4 giga. By the way, you can add later another 4 giga. You're gonna be 8 giga. You have one, but this is shit, honestly. Just one USB Type 3 and one USB Type 2 normal. Just one none, and one USB Type C for your phone. Okay, but so this is what I'm telling you. Within China. Listen, guys, I'm gonna tell you something. I try a lot of laptops. I try Sony, Toshiba, HP, Acer, Bink, Comeback, fucking gunk. The best laptops in the world are Sony, MSI, and Dell. Listen, whatever they are, Inspiron or Asus or G75 Gaming or MSI. Listen, they are. If you wanna buy laptop, take advice from your brother that he try all kind of laptops and he fucked up in his money and in his life behind these laptops. Don't best these three companies: Asus, Dell, MSI. So let's unbox and see what he have, and I will show you. By the way, he came with Windows, not Windows. It's called Endless OS Endless. I don't know. It's kinda not cool, but you can't work with it. You need Windows. Okay, so here, how funny his charger. Like charger for my Samsung S8, so small. So this is his charger. Okay, and here you have. Listen, this is for drive. You got me. This CD is for drive, but for Windows 10. For Windows 10 generally, 46 bit. I mean, not for 32 bit. For this is for Windows 10 Pro or Home, whatever. It's 46 bit. Here they say about this is user manual, guarantee, etc, CTE. Okay, here's the gorgeous and the sexy. Wow, it's a pleasure to touch. Look, let's see quick view. You have here for SD. Okay, you have here for LAN. Here you have here for no one used anymore, HDMI type for speaker C3, and you have here for type C for phone, and here the adapter. Go here, you have here DVD ROM and not rewritable. Okay, CD, DVD, and you have here. Listen, his white's not that heavy. You got me. This is what I like on this. Honestly, guys, I'm suffer behind laptops that sucks. You got me. I suffer behind these laptops. Yeah. So see, you have here Intel Pentium, okay, and you have GeForce Nvidia, the VGA. Here, this is the type that he came with. Let me make for you focus. Here, endless. Okay, here Intel phone. I told you about RAM. You can customize it. 1 tera HDMI. VivoBook. Okay, here's the power button. Let's make it focus again. By the way, to enter boot, you have to press escape to enter boot for Asus. To enter his boot. By the way, his speakers are so great. I watch music. I hear music in YouTube. His speakers are really loud. Not garbage like Sony or Toshiba and like this shit. I'm sick of this sucks brands. See, this is what I'm telling you. It's endless. You got me. Endless wind. This kind of water system. Nexus endless is garbage. You got me. Honestly, yeah. I mean, he's not bad, but you cannot work with it, games and stuff. You can't be comfortable to use it. Listen, Windows is the best. Behind it, Macintosh. I mean, this Nexus is not something bad, you know. Listen, he took like almost 1 minute to open, you got me. Here is it. But this is the touchpad. You can press. Okay. Here. See, you can access internet without Windows. I mean, when you buy it, they give you this laptop without Windows. So you can use internet. See, you have even WhatsApp, Facebook, you have YouTube, you have media, you have games. You got me? You have games. And by the way, beautiful games you have. You have social media here. See? You have social media here. You see, you have Skype, Twitter, etc. All this program came with, you know. Actually, I just download this one, uTorrent, you know. But see, you have here, you can switch between user here. You have screen, yeah. You know. Okay, here you have the camera. I guess it's 2 megapixel. What I'm gonna tell you. Listen, the only thing that I wish that Asus make it in this laptop. Okay, it's great and everything. Windows I will manage. You got me? I wish that they make this keyboard lightning. You got me? To be honest, it's an important point for me, especially at night and like this. I wish that they make it lightning. You got me? I like to have a lightning keyboard when I play games at night and like this. As for bottom are nice. This is 15.6 inch screen, you know. So this was my opinion about this Asus. It's great and nice. Looks nice quality, not garbage like others. Yeah, by the way, I will make comparison small between him. I wanna just guys show you the screen. This is Full HD screen, okay? And this compact are Full HD screen, okay? I'm gonna show you the difference between the Full HD screen in real Asus MSI and Dell and the garbage other laptops. You got me? Listen, I cannot insult Samsung, but they are, I mean, they just enter world of laptops now. They still need time a little bit to improve. But also Samsung not bad, but I mean, I have money, I'm gonna buy Alienware, or I'm gonna buy a G750 Asus. I'm gonna buy Asus. Behind this, it's may come Lenovo, you know. Otherwise, guys, don't waste your money. Omen, HP, and all this shit. Don't spend your money for. Listen, gaming laptop for any one of this kind is not bad, but it's not gonna be good like others. So anyway, thanks for watching. And if you would like to see anything, write comment below. By the way, I wanna tell you something important. I enter Microsoft, I found Windows with $120 and like this. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this. You know, now I'm gonna install copy of Windows, not original copy, and I have the CD for installation, the CD for device that I show you now. So you know why you have to. You can work with this, but I tell you, if you're playing games and more comfortable, better download Windows. So download the Windows copy and put CDs here. Put the CDs for installation. It will install for you all the device VGA and everything. So and you don't need anything else. This is what I want to tell you. Just need Windows. You have to install, but you can access anything you want. Flash memory, HC, blah blah blah. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to put thumbs up or put thumbs down. Or put thumbs in the middle. You know, YouTube is gonna create thumbs like this in the middle in the future. It's my idea, YouTube. So peace. See you in another video. Don't forget to see the comparison that I'm gonna tell you about it. Bye for now.